How to pay with PayPal on CNFans. Hey guys, so in this video I'll show you step by step on how to pay with PayPal on CNFans. So after you open up the CNFans application like this, now you can use the website or you can use the mobile app version. So I'll use the mobile app version. Now go and select the product you want to buy. I'll go with this one, trouser. So from this option, now select the product you want to buy. I'll go with this t-shirt. So here are different t-shirt. All you have to do now, let's say I wanted to buy this one. I will select this t-shirt. After the t-shirt like this, now you can tap on this buy button. So from this option, now you can select the color of the t-shirt and tap on this continue button. So from this option, all you have to do now, you can tap on this checkout button. So after you come to this payment method, as you can see now, from this option now, it will give you all the payment methods that are available. Sometimes you'll be able to see the PayPal available under this screen, but for now, as you can see now, the PayPal is not available. But still, you can be able to pay with your PayPal. All you have to do now to continue the process, just tap on this. As you can see now, here it says debit card slash credit card. All you have to do now, select the debit card slash credit card option to pay with your PayPal. So check on this on. After you select the credit card or debit card, just tap on this buy button. So it will take you to this option. So as you can see now, in this option now, it will ask you to type in your credit card or debit card details. All you have to do now, you can go ahead now and open up your PayPal and ask the PayPal, or you can request the credit card from the PayPal. As you can see now, for now, PayPal is allow people to have a credit card. So you can just go ahead and request the credit card from the PayPal. After you find your credit card or your PayPal card, from there you can use your PayPal card to pay on this option. After you type in your PayPal card in this option, now you can tap on this pay now button. From there you can be able to purchase with your PayPal. That's it guys. Please like and subscribe.